Welcome to the channel, you guys. Today I'll be talking about the best way to use credit cards to make money with no money. You do not want to miss this video, so stay watching. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Click that subscribe button right now, and also make sure you have your notification bell on, because you want to click it so that you know when I upload videos and I go live. Okay, let's talk about how to make money with your credit cards with no money. Let's get into it right now. Using a credit card requires smart spending and budgeting. So this video is for people who are very disciplined and wise. If you're not disciplined with your credit cards, then you need to learn how to become disciplined and avoid the dangers in getting into too much debt and owing hundreds and thousands of dollars with your credit cards. But if you're wise and you're disciplined and you know how to budget and you pay your bills on time, this can be an advantage of you of learning how to make money with no money. Rich people do not use their money, their own money. They use other people's money to make money. So if you have good credit, this can be an asset for you, okay? And if you haven't been disciplined, you need to learn how to become disciplined and make money, or make your credit cards, your business credit, or your credit, your personal credit, or your business credit work for you and earn money with no money, which I'll be sharing more if you continue watching this video. If you haven't watched my playlist, if you don't have great credit scores or you're not disciplined with your money, make sure you watch the videos on how to increase your credit scores, okay, you guys, so you'll learn. Just click it on the channel, okay? For those of you who are disciplined and you're budgeting and you know how to pay your credit card off and use them wisely, why not take advantage of start earning money without spending your own money, which is very important when you're trying to use your credit cards or use credit cards to make money with no money. And keep watching and I'm explaining you in detail how that you can do it. You can do it as long as you know these two basic rules. Charge only what you can afford and pay your balance in every month, okay, in full every month. Learn how careful credit card use can help you earn rather than lose money. Leverage your credit, okay? For those of you who have zero APR, who have low interest rates, let's just say I'm in retail, I have a brand, I'm in resale. Let's just say I need products. I need some more products. And I don't want to use my money that's in my bank account or the money that I have on hand. Having credit cards that I have of my own in my name with good credit, I can use those and buy inventory, the items that are selling well. So you got to make sure that you have a plan, you have a strategy, not to just buy things just to be buying and getting in debt and creating liabilities, but using these as an asset. Use your credit cards and your good credit as an asset to buy things for you so that you won't spend your money and that it will work for you. Learn how to make money work for you. And the way that you can learn how to make money work for you is to learn how to leverage your credit and use your credit cards wisely and buy things that you need and pay the balance in on time and in full. So you need to know if you have a balance on your credit cards, and you need to pay attention of the account cycle, okay, you guys? You need to know your credit card billing. And so if you decide to get anything that you need for your business, anything you need for yourself to sell and earn money and make money for you, that you know the billing of your credit cards and you pay them in full every month. When you make money off because your whole plan is to make money off the money that you borrow. It's got to profit you, right? You're not just doing it just to be doing. You know you're going to get a profit. So if I need to get products for inventory for my businesses, if I see that they're doing well and I am running low or getting out of stock, and I see a lot of my buyers continue to buy from me, so I can go ahead and use my credit cards. I pay attention to my cycle or my balance and what time I need to pay them so I can pay them early. Go ahead and borrow that money, whatever it is. If you have large credit cards or even smaller cards, whatever you need to use it for you. And when you make money off of those products, then you're going to get profit, right, from the products that you are selling. So you make sure that you place that money that you borrow back into the credit cards so that you can re-borrow. So continue to start leveraging your credit cards. People think that credit cards are bad, but they can be a great thing if you use them wisely. Again, this video is for people who are disciplined, who know how to use their credit cards, who pay their balances on time, who have low interest rates, who can benefit with credit cards, and learning how to use it make money work for you. Okay, as long as you're paying on time in full, then not leaving balance and getting yourself in debt, then that's how you can make credit cards make money work for you with no money. So that's why so many people say credit is king, right? Because if you have good credit, even with no money, you can make money work for you. So make sure that you using your credit wisely, and you using your credit cards wisely to benefit you, to earn income, to make passive income, to make money work for you. And you know that you're going to have profit from it. You want to know that you're going to have profit back from it so that you can pay the debt off and also earn a profit with whatever you're trying to do. If you have the large credit cards, you're trying to buy something big or small, make sure you use your credit and make sure it's working for you. Okay, and make sure you're not getting in debt, because that's what we want to avoid. Now, many say it's good debt and bad debt. I know a lot of you don't agree with the bad debt, but using it in the right way so it'll benefit you. Okay, that's why they call it good debt, because it's benefiting you and you're not getting in debt and you're not messing up your credit, and it's being an asset to you. Okay, so learn how to use your credit wisely, the best way. Okay, the best way and the smart way, and the credit cards will work for you and you'll be able to make money with no money, and a lot of people are doing it. Okay, you guys, make sure that you keep watching, because I want you to see the other videos that I have coming up right after this video.